It sounds crazy, but you might actually cough more when you first quit smoking. Don't panic. This is actually a great sign. The tiny hairs in your lungs, called cilia, have been paralyzed by smoke for years. As they wake up and start moving again, they begin sweeping out the tar and mucus trapped deep inside. That cough isn't sickness. It's your lungs spring cleaning themselves. Embrace the process. If you want to clean your lungs faster and stay smoke-free, click the link in the description for the best tips.